this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a Mailchimp campaign. Perfect for saving time if you send similar newsletters or want to reuse a successful design. Once you log in, head to the campaign section on your dashboard. Browse through your list, find the campaign you'd like to reuse and hover over it. You'll see an option called Replicate. Click it and Mailchimp will instantly create an exact copy of that campaign. The duplicated campaign keeps your content, design and subject line but not the recipient list. This lets you send it to a new audience or update your segment. From here, you can edit the subject, swap out images, refresh links and personalize the message before sending. Always send yourself a test email to check formatting and links before launching. And that's it. You've duplicated and customized your campaign in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick Mailchimp guides and happy emailing.